Hey there, everyone. SEMO-MAC here again. Got another product review. So, as we all know, it is starting to get warm outside. Spring's hitting. You know, everybody's out. We just got through cutting the grass. You know, it's starting to really warm. It's roughly about 80 degrees in here right now. You know, one thing I was looking at, because we do go camping a lot, you know, kids at ball games, stuff like that. I started looking at some of these little portable fans, because, you know, it's just sometimes, you know, I'm getting old, so I don't like it really hot. Kind of a big guy too, so that, you know, it's just one of those things. But hey, guess where I was at? Yeah, Harbor Freight. And had another coupon. Sure did. So guess what I picked up? Oh yeah, this bad boy right here. Portable fan. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, this was sub 25. So I was very happy about that. This joker right here, like I said, it is dual purpose. Can you believe this? Or should I say dual powered? You can run it off your 12 volt. Also, as you see right here, running off of 120. So not only can you take this and it be portable, and it actually runs off of your battery, you can also hang this in your shop or somewhere where you're working and you have actually got 120 plugged in. You can run this off of 120 as well. Some of the little features that it has is it is, you know, you can move this thing pretty much 360 degrees here. It stops right there, but hey, you're good. So another thing that I noticed on it is if you flip this over, it has where you can hang it from anywhere. So you can hang it up about right here. So you can hang it from the ceiling if you want to. But that is really nice. Looks like you got something here. You could probably rig up something where you can hang. You got different places here where you can screw it, mount it to a wall. I mean, that's handy. So this thing's very portable. You can pretty much hang it anywhere you want to, set it anywhere you want to. But the big question is does it blow air? We're gonna find out, because I'm starting to sweat in here and it's really getting kind of hot. So let's see what we got. We are plugged in and we are on low. And that actually feels pretty good. I really like it. Let's see, do I got anything around here where I can let it go? Let you turn it right here. It's blowing. As you see right there, it's blowing. We're gonna kick it up on high. See what we got. Oh yeah. Wind tunnel. Look at that bad boy go. So yes, it does blow. It puts out some air. Oh yeah, I like that. That's nice. So when everybody else, you know, is just burning up, you're gonna have this. And I'm sorry, but I gotta do this because it's the way I was as a kid. No, I am your father. Yeah, I'm a nerd. I can't help it. But hey, get you one of these. This thing is actually really nice. Yeah, it puts out some air. So when everybody else is sweating, you're sitting over there with your little portable fan, just chilling and feeling good. So, guys, these are awesome. I will say that if you're in the Hercules line at Harbor Freight, they also make one. It's the same price. It looks to be maybe a little bit bigger fan than what this one is. I just compared it at the store. I'm not in the Hercules line right now, so I picked up the Bauer. And with the coupon, it was cheaper than what the Hercules was. So, but yeah, this thing, it's gonna get used a lot. And yes, just so everybody knows, I bought these. Anything that I am putting out here that I'm doing reviews on, I bought it all myself. I'm not sponsored by anybody. It's just stuff that I find that I like and that I can actually share with y'all. If I don't like it, I'm gonna tell you. But so far, everything that I've gotten through Bauer so far, I've really, really, really liked. I have not had any really complaints about it. 6 months down the road, may be different. But right now, no. I actually like what I have. So with that being said, everyone, hey, you want to stay cool in the summer, pick this up. And that being said, as always, this is SEMO-MAC, bringing you product reviews as much as I can. And as always, be kind to everybody. Enjoy life because it is short. Yeah, it is. Life is very short. But hey, enjoy it. Enjoy your loved ones. Enjoy all your friends. Just enjoy life, period. And with that being said, this is SEMO-MAC, and y'all have a great day.